Okay, we can now continue with our next set of teardrops and our little heart, and we can also complete these little Christmas tree ornaments. So from the front of our pewter on our liner, we can do all of these little teardrops together. You can also do them one by one, but because we're not raising them that high, we can do them all in one go. Then we can remove our liner, place our pewter on our hard surface, and we can flatten from the front. Remember to flatten towards your design so that you push all of that extra height into your raised area. And then we can tidy up. Then we can add some extra height from the back. So we turn our pewter upside down, place it on our soft surface, and add a little bit of height from the back. After adding your height, we turn our pewter back to the front, place it on our hard surface, and we can repeat our flattening process one more time. Use the tip of your paper stump to get into the smaller areas. And then we can define and tidy up. And then I'm going to define with my metal ball tool. There we go. So now we can do the little heart. And at the same time, we can actually also do the little Christmas tree ornaments. So the Christmas tree ornaments again have some details on top. So we first use our metal ball tool on our hard surface to draw in these details. For this one, I'm again gonna do a bit of a scratching pattern on the internal side of the two lines to create a little bit of a different texture. So I'm scratching in one direction and then I turn my direction to the other side or to an opposite direction to create a bit of a crisscross pattern. After adding the details, we can move our pewter back to the semi-soft surface, and on the front of our pewter we can draw in the outlines. So I'm going to do the little heart and also the two circles, and then also the last one. And then we can remove our semi-soft surface and we can flatten. We flatten from the front on our hard surface using our paper stump. And we flatten towards our designs. And then we're going to use the tip of our paper stump to get in between the small areas. We can then tidy up with the Teflon tool. And then we can add some extra height from the back. There we go. So now we can add a little bit of extra height from the back. So from the back of our pewter, on our soft surface, we can take our paper stump and add a little bit of height from the back. Remember that we use a little bit of height at a time, soft motions, so that we don't have lines from the front. We can always come back a second time to add some more height. I concentrate more in the center of the circle so that we have more of a dome shape than a flat shape. And then we can turn our pewter to the front and we can repeat our flattening process. And then we can tidy up. And then we can define with our metal ball tool. Here we go. So now we can continue with our next part.